All right, here we are, Nathan and I, God's country, hiking into a bald eagle nest for our genetic study. We'll catch in with you in about an hour and a half when we finally get there. All right, we finally made it. We've been hiking for about 3 or 4 miles. The nest is right off this hill. We're gonna drop down into it and see if we can't get up there and put a band on the chick and take a blood sample for our study. So it looks like we're looking at the eagle nest here. We got about 1 chick. What do you think, Nathan? About six and a half?
6.5-ish, yeah.
6.5 weeks old, so it's about perfect age for us to try and climb up in there. We gotta go down this super steep hill, try and get it. Alright, so we made it down to the tree. The nest is up there. Alright, so here we're about to go up this bald eagle's nest. A lot of people ask us how we get up there, and so I wanted to show you a little bit of the safety gear we've got. We've got a climbing harness with a rope that Nathan is going to belay me on at the base. And as I go up this tree, I'm going to take these slings, wrap them around branches, tie the rope in there, so that's my safety. I've also got these spikes on my feet, so as I climb up I can use these to help shimmy up the tree. Got my gloves in case I get sap on me. I can take the gloves off and don't get sap on the bird when I'm handling it. And then finally, I've got our banding kit. So in here we've got bands, needles to take blood samples, a rivet gun to put the bands on, a hood to keep the bird safe, and an abba that help them wrap them up so I can band them by myself up in the tree there. So let's do it. All right, I just made it up. I got the bird safe. We're gonna get a hood on it and band it. I'm gonna keep this here. Maybe you guys can see what's going on while we do this. Okay. Okay. Throw a little vet wrap on its feet. So this bird's going to get a USGS band and a color band, 9M. Both of them are going to get riveted on so they never come off. Okay. Next, we're going to take a blood sample. This is the critical part of our study. Looking at the genetic composition of this population post-recovery. Also looking at how individuals can influence a population, live a long, long time. In order to do this, I'm going to need access to this wing. Right here. I'm just going to take a little blood sample on the same spot that we take it out of humans. This guy. This is lysis. This keeps the DNA forever. I'll put some in this guy. I can store some long term and also look for contaminants. So we got a little male here. It's about six and a half weeks old. It's about perfect age for banding. Big enough for the bands and blood, but not too small. Not too big where he jump. Okay. Take a couple quick measurements and then let this guy be on his way. So I'm going to need my phone now to record some of this data. So we'll be in touch in a sec. Here we go, we got the guy banded. Blood sample taken, he's back in the nest. See his blood sample, his bands there, 9M. He's got a little feather in his bill, but he'll take care of that. All right, buddy, well, thanks and good luck.